Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. We have crypto pushing to new all-time highs, right? Bitcoin just broke above $85,000 and we have a pro-crypto administration coming into office, which will have a huge impact on the cryptocurrency markets. And so headwinds have now turned into tailwinds. The cryptocurrency markets are definitely heading higher, and so that's definitely something to be paying attention to. There's a ton of different catalysts coming up, and I believe the cryptocurrency markets are just going to continue to get more and more bullish. And so we're going to be taking a look at a crypto today that is focusing on AI. And so narratives in the cryptocurrency space are something to be keeping an eye on, right? That is usually what has the biggest impact. And so that is how you find the next big opportunities. AI is going to be an obvious choice for the bull run. And I think some of these cryptocurrencies are going to have the biggest gains moving forward. And so let's go ahead and take a look at Solana here. We can see this is currently trading at about $218. This did break to the upside with Bitcoin after the consolidation it had for the past 6 months. And so we can see this is currently trading at about $218, and the all-time highs are around $260. And so we're just under 20% from reaching that all-time high. I definitely think that Solana is going to be one of the best performing cryptocurrencies this bull run. And so something else that I focus on for the cryptocurrency market is narratives. And so finding a narrative and finding cryptocurrencies that are small in that narrative tend to provide some of the best returns, right? And so AI is one narrative that I think is going to explode this bull run. Cryptocurrencies like Tau or Render are already massive market caps. And so I am focusing on smaller market caps here. The cryptocurrency I'm going to be talking about today is TARS AI, focusing on AI. And so it is on the smaller side, and so there is definitely a lot of upside potential for that. And so let's go ahead and take a look at some information on Solana here. This is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies out there. The daily active addresses are exploding on chain here. Now, since April of this year, they had about 1.2 million daily active addresses. Today, they're at about 6 million. So we're seeing substantial growth on Solana, and I think this is something that's very bullish for Solana and cryptocurrencies built on Solana as well. And so in addition to that, we also have the Solana ETF momentum here, right? We have new filings. We have 3 different filings for the Solana ETF. The first ones that we had was Van Eck and 21 shares here. And then we did receive a Solana ETF application from Canary Capital. And so these are all S1 filings that has not been approved yet. However, this is promising, right? We already have the Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs out there, and I would not be surprised to see the third ETF to be approved is Solana here. And so that's definitely something that could have an impact on the price of Solana as well. Now let's go ahead and take a look at TARS AI here. And so this is currently trading at about 15 cents with a market cap of $67 million. And so we can see this has been consolidated in this channel here. It launched earlier this year back in May. And so we can see once we do break above this 17-cent level, I do expect a bigger upside for TARS AI. And so that's definitely something to be paying attention to. And so let's go ahead and take a look at some more information on TARS AI here. And so TARS AI is an AI derivative play on Solana, and it is one of the only coins that is backed by the Solana Foundation. So I think this definitely is something very substantial for TARS AI as well. And so I'd like to take a look at this here as well, right? We have Grayscale mentioning that AI remains the dominant market theme. And so narratives have a massive impact on the cryptocurrency market. And so I've been in cryptocurrency since 2017. And some of the largest gains that I've made is being early on narratives, right? And so identifying them and then finding projects within that narrative that are small and have a lot of upside potential. And so that is where I made some of the largest gains ever, is being early, right? And so we have Grayscale right here mentioning that AI is the theme that is going to lead the bull market, right? I mean, we can see meme coins are following. Meme coins are always going to be up there. We have DeFi, layer 2s. However, I think AI here is going to continue to lead the bull run, right? And so that is what TARS AI is focusing on. I think this is very bullish. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some more information on TARS AI here. They have 1 million prompts processed and counting. And so TARS AI is making waves in the Solana ecosystem, hitting a major usage milestone that reflects rapid adoption and real impact. Every interaction brings TARS closer to the vision for AI-driven innovation of Solana, setting a new standard for what's possible. With adoption of an all-time high, TARS AI is solidifying its role as a key player in the Solana ecosystem, and so they are having their impact on Solana. I definitely think that this is going to continue to increase, right? I mean, they just reached their 1 million prompts processed and counting, and so that's going to continue to increase there as well. And I've mentioned in the past before that Tars AI was accepted into the Google Startup Program. And so some of their team members spent some time at Google for the 4 upcoming AI products that we will be releasing in the next 30 to 60 days. And so they have been releasing products, right? They have their testnet launched as well, and so they're preparing for launch. And I think this is very promising. They're continuing to build, and as I mentioned, they're focusing on the different narratives, right? I mean, Solana here continuing to increase. We see the same thing with other ecosystems as well, right? We see Bitenzer or Tau, right? Cryptocurrencies built on the subnets of Bitenzer tend to explode when Tau goes up, right? We saw Bitenzer reach $600, $700, $800, and the subnets that were built on Bitenzer were exploding. And so we're going to see the same thing happen here with Solana as well. And so once Solana reaches a new all-time high, there's going to be a lot of attention on Solana, and then people are going to start focusing on cryptocurrencies that are backed by Solana. And so that is Tars AI here. They are backed by the Solana Foundation, and so this has a lot of upside potential. They are building the future of AI on Solana. And so Tars AI has multiple different products here. They have the AI console, they have staking, they have AI hub, they have their search engine. And then they're going to have a consumer's AI coming soon and a launchpad as well. And so they're building a lot of different products here, all backed by the Solana Foundation. Now, if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe for future content. And I want to thank Tars AI for sponsoring this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.